Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 says 2/3 x minus 5/2 equals -1/2. So I'm going to follow my 4 steps. Step 1 is to eliminate fractions by multiplying both sides by the least common denominator. I have 3 fractions in this problem with denominators of 3, 2, and 2. So thinking of 3 and 2, the least common denominator would be 6, which means I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. And really that means that I have to multiply every term in this equation by 6. Sometimes it helps to put a 6 by every term just to remind you. So I'm going to ask the same question as I did in the last problem. 3 divides into 6 how many times cleanly? And the answer is 2. 2 times 2 of the numerator would be 4x. Minus 2 divides into 6 cleanly how many times, which is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So on the left-hand side, I have 4x minus 15. On the right side, I'm going to do the same thing. 2 divides cleanly into 6 3 times. 3 times 1, -1 is -3. And so I have -3 on the right side. And that step is done. Step 2, simplify sides. That's already finished. 4x minus 15 is simplified, and -3 is simplified. So I can move on to step 3, add opposites, in order to isolate my variable terms on one side and my number terms on the other. To do that, I'm going to add 15 to both sides. -15 plus 15 is 0. 0 plus 4x is 4x. -3 plus 15 is 12. Now I'm going to move on to the last step, which is to divide the coefficient of the variable term on both sides. In this problem, the coefficient is 4, so I will divide both sides by 4. On the left side, 4 divided by 4 is 1x, and 12 divided by 4 is 3, so my answer is x equals 3.